Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Yaris LE. It's 4-door, 5-passenger compact hatchback in a cool, calm and collected black sand pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch wheels. Included in your LE package is your heated front seats, your Bluetooth connectivity, and your backup camera for the ultimate driving convenience.
Helping you into your Yaris is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up to take a look now. Right away, you're greeted by a fun two-tone interior. On the side, you have your gray trim plus your soft cloth trim to help with the cabin road noise. You have your power windows, your power locks, additional storage. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors and your internal light brightness. You have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And check out the detailing and comfort built right into your seats here with that sweet paneling that adds that 3-dimensional unique look. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Yaris, simply put your foot on the brake, key in the ignition there. Dashboard's going to light up with that sporty red ambient lighting. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel, from your dashboard function there. You also do have your volume control, your mode changers, your hands-free calling, and voice command mounted right to your steering wheel for convenience. And on the side here, you can find your touch panel display. Taking a look at your audio system now, you have your AM/FM radio, you've got that CD player on top, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here. A nice convenience to be sure to have to keep everyone and everything nice and safe. Now, you can set the color inside of your Yaris to match your personality. So this is what the blue will look like on your menu screen. You have your climate control knobs below here with that chrome detailing. You also do have that air conditioning. Definitely going to come in handy to keep everyone nice and cool during the summer. You have your 12-volt DC charger, USB auxiliary input, media storage, cup holder, stylish shift knob. And you do have your heated seat option for both your driver and your passenger side for those cold Alberta winters. Plus, you've got your traction control. You also do have your parking brake below, plus an additional cup holder in the back. Inside of your glove box here, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Yaris. And there's additional open shelving, plus that two-tone on that dashboard there to tie all of that modern, sleek design together. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Yaris. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. You also do have your standard backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. Check out those sweet curves on the back there that add that sporty touch. Opening up your hatchback now. Check out all that space that's available to you to store everything that you need. You have that handy hard cover that offers just the right amount of privacy for your cargo. Plus, you have your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Underneath your hard cover here, you do have your tools, your jack, and your spare tire. In case anything does happen on the side of the road, you will be prepared. You also do have a cargo lamp on the side for visibility. Grab that handle there, drop that hatch down. As you can see, you have that chrome Yaris LE badging. We take one more look at the back of your Yaris.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Yaris 5-door LE. Built into your Yaris is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to protect everything important to you. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave at St. Albert Trail.